how to make your Google Chrome web browser faster and better. It's already really good, but there are a few changes that you could make to the settings to improve the quality and the speed, and also delete some old data. So let's start with changing the settings that is required to make your Google Chrome experience better and faster. The first settings that we want to change is to increase the downloading speed and improve the web browser protection. First, open Google Chrome. On top right, click on the three dots. This will bring the menu. Then click Settings. Then on the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Then in middle, click on Security. And then click on Enhance Protection. This will improve the protection that the browser provides and make it faster. Then scroll down, go to Use Secure DNS, make sure it's enabled. Then click on Customize, and then select Google Public DNS or Cloudflare. Which one you should choose, it depends on the location you are. So I highly recommend for you to test both of them, see which one is faster. For me, it's the Google one. Then close Chrome and reopen it. The reason I did that is to activate the changes that we have made. Now here in the address bar, type in Chrome ://flags. Then click enter. In the search bar, type in PARAL and parallel downloading will pop up. Make sure it's clicked on enabled. This will improve the downloading speed for the web browser. Now close Chrome and reopen it. Next, we want to see how the web browser manages resources. So let's go back to the menu, click on the three dots on the top right-hand side, click Settings. Then on the left-hand side, click on System. The first item is continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Basically, what it means that Google Chrome will be running in the background even if you close it. That's using your resources. It's slowing down your system. So I highly recommend to disabling that. The next line item is hardware acceleration. Make sure that's enabled. Okay, let's now close and reopen. Now, these were the settings that I recommend for you to change. Now, there are a few things that you need to do on a regular basis. The first one is making sure that the software is up to date. So let's go back to the menu, click on the three dots on the top right, click Settings, and then on the left-hand side, click About Chrome. Now you can see that here it says it's up to date. If it wasn't, it will show that it's updating itself. And once it's completed, it will come up with this. It has been up to date. You need to relaunch it. So basically, you just close Chrome, reopen it, or just click relaunch. Once that's done, what you want to do is see the extension that you're using. Make sure all the extension you want it. So on the top in the menu, the three dots, click on extension, then manage extensions. These are all the extensions that I'm using in my Google Chrome. Let's assume I don't want Google Translate anymore. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disable it. But you need to make sure you take one more step, is to remove the extensions. Sometimes when you have this extension even disabled, it may be using resources. So you don't want that. Next, what we want to do is make sure that we delete all web browser cache and history. So let's go back to the menu, the three dots on top right, click on history and history again. Here, what you want to do is click on clear browsing data on the left hand side. This will pop out. Make sure the time range is all time. There are multiple selections you have: last hour, 24 hours, 7 days. I would always recommend to make sure that you're using all time, and also that all these three are selected: cached images, cookies, and browsing history. I have experienced that sometimes I have files, images that are here that are slowing down my computer. So this is why you want on a regular basis, at least once a month, clear your old data. Now you should see an improvement with your Google Chrome web browser. Just make sure on a regular basis to delete all data and check for updates. If you have any questions or any comments, put it down in the comment sections. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.